people, I thought I could so then, like, you get the Camaro,
What's going on, YouTube? Q back here again with another video for you. Today's video is our third day down here in Bowling Green, Kentucky. Today starts the drag racing and autocrossing. I'm here at the car wash, not washing my car because it's about to get dirty. It's going to rain later, so why? The car show later on too, and a party tonight. So last night we had a meet and greet, just talk and chill with a lot of people. And today is going to be more of that, just on the grander scale, because today is now Friday, so even more people will be here. So that's where we are now. I don't even know what I'm going to do today, honestly. The drag racing is going on now, and it goes on till 5 o'clock, and it is about 10 o'clock right now, so they'll be doing that until 5 o'clock. Then the autocross, that's something that I might do, but this is going to be like 95 today. I don't know, YouTube. I don't know if I'm going to do it. I want to, but I'm really not in the mood to. But we'll see as the day progresses. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, browse the channel. Let's jump into it. Hogging up space. Got another Camaro behind me. Got Blueprint over here washing his car. He got mud all over the place. So talking to that gentleman, he had his lifter failed on this 16 Camaro. He got quoted 12 grand from the dealership to replace that. And if you don't know about the lifter issue, that's if you got the AFM or the when the deactivation on demand, when the cylinders drop from 8 to 4 and it just seizes up and he has to get his engine replaced. So with that, he ended up getting he went to a speed shop and got a mild cam, headers, tune, and now he's sounding good now. Now he's got like an extra 100 wheel horsepower. So that's righteous, man. But we're all about to go to the drag strip or autocross. I don't know where it's at, so we'll find out together. Arrived here at Big Bend. It's hot. But we got all the cars lined up behind us. Not all the cars, some cars from our group. I'm about to take a picture real quick before we go in. I'm about to do a little spectating on the autocross and drag racing before I decide on what I want to do. Never autocrossed before, so I'm about to just take a look at it to see what the course is like. seen in person. It is so hot out here, y'all. Like, outfit destroyed. Got the Hoochie Daddy shorts on. You see the Hoochie Daddies. But yeah, I think I'm about to do the autocross. I want to do it, but I'm gonna chill out first. I need the water boy. There you go. Water boy. Shout out to me for not catching the heat stroke. I'm about to try to get on the autocross with my helmet. There's nobody over there now, and I can take my time because I missed the class this morning because I'm like, today I'm chilling. But I saw it. I see where the turns are. I'm going to try it. Take my time and then keep going. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's you right here? There we go. Oh, yeah. Michigan in the house. Yeah.
Represent with the Motor City Camaro Club by way of EMS, Elite Mero Squad. Come check us out in Detroit, Michigan. But this is our family right here. The whole lot. All family.
Yeah.
All the way from Michigan, baby. Hey.
Yes, sir. All of us over here, the Michigan crew. Got the flag going.
Oh, you have to sign up for
Yeah,
it?
this is something else.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, they have room to sign up.
So we just came from the autocross event. They said I couldn't register for another 45 minutes. And if we look that way, it looks like our friend Mr. Thunderstorm is headed here until tomorrow. So if I can get over there before they shut down, I will. But if not, y'all will catch me back in Michigan doing this somewhere else. But we're about to go check out some more drag races. So here we go.
In the lanes first, followed by stop.
Alright, first time about the autocross. Got another unicorn. NQ fashion to 1LE, but this right here is like no other 1LE. We got a Turbo 4 1LE. Never seen a Turbo 4 1LE, a unicorn, and this car did work out here. Like, my car is fast, but to carry the weight and the momentum of a ZL1 out there, this car is much lighter. Got the driver right here.
Brad Walker, damn glad to meet you.
Yep, doing work out there. He was talking trash too, and I got mad, but now he put the numbers down that I need to beat. Let's see if we can do it. Alright YouTube, I am beat. It's 95 degrees out here. The storm missed us, so thankfully I got to do all 4 runs out there, and I only recorded 2 of them because it was more of the same stuff. Y'all don't want to see that. But my times were pretty consistent. My first was the worst at 58 seconds. My second was the best at 48 seconds from what I was told. I found out on the 3rd race where the time actually was, so the last 2 I got for myself, and they both were 52 seconds apiece. So my arch nemesis in the shock, he got like 48 seconds. And he made a couple goof ups too because he was sliding around. You don't want to slide when you're on these road courses. You want to have traction and rubber. Like, if you're sliding, you're losing time. So he did that, but he still did better than me. I took it easy on that back corner because I don't know how fast I can go. And there's a brick wall right there, and I still got 7 hours to drive home. So took it easy back there. I could have did faster. I kept it at 40 miles an hour, and they say the fastest you can go out there is 50, but I didn't care about the times. I had a hell of a time out here. Great time. I think I had more fun autocrossing than I did on the road course, but I got to get home and edit all these videos for you all. Should be 3 of them, but hope you all enjoyed it as much as I did. I got to drink some water, so I'm probably dehydrated. I did all those races without drinking water in between. I got so excited that I forgot. I need to get in the car, turn the air on. Sorry y'all, but I'm tired. I got to go. Getting hungry. Party later on tonight. I might shoot some footage at the end of that. I might not. I don't know. But hope you all enjoyed. Had a blast out here. Shout out to Camaro Fest. That was a blast. It was hundreds of Camaros out here. All kinds. Mainly 5th and 6th gens, but I saw 1st gen Camaro. I saw all the gens out here, but mainly the more modern ones. What the heck is that? But yeah, even the squirrels going nuts out here. Boom, I should be a comedian. I'm gonna leave you all with that. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, browse the channel, and I'll catch you all on the next video. Peace out. And it's raining very heavy. Should have left earlier. I lied, we're back. Back in front of the Camaro house. Only 6 Camaros now, it was 7. But I found out at Autocross, I placed 4th, which is good enough for me to go back today to qualify. But I'm not. This is wet out here. It rained, it stormed, and I got to get back home, and I need my car in one piece. Let me clean this fog real quick. So yeah, we're about to just hit the road. It's like 8, 9 o'clock here. We got 7 hours ahead of us. About to gas up, get my coffee, get some food, and then hit the road. So that's what I'm going to leave you all with for the second closing of this video. Peace out.